Welcome to the spa. I'm Sydney. Today I'm going to be giving Nicole a facial. Previously we did the double cleanse and exfoliation, so now we're going to do the Hydrogelly SD Max mask, and it's the Egyptian rose, and it smells like roses, and it's very, very pretty. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So when I'm mixing it together, you really don't want to put too much water in it or it won't work as well. So I'm filling it about halfway. We're gonna see. There we go. And I'm just using my silicone spatula to mix it. It does kind of take a minute for everything to get mixed, because as soon as the powder hits the water, it starts to form into a jelly. Oh, okay. So this Hydrogelly mask goes over the whole face, so it covers your eyes and your lips, but you can still breathe through your nose. And as it sits on the face, it kind of thickens into basically it's a peel-off mask. So as you can see, the mixture is starting to get thick now, which is how you want it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dump just a tiny bit right here, right here. Okay, then you're gonna slide it down. And when you're applying this mask, you have to do it quickly, because as soon as it hits your face, it starts to dry. Right, let's get more over here. At first it's really hard to spread because it could be a little clumpy, but that's the way it's supposed to be, so as long as you keep moving it down so that every part of the face is covered. Right, I'm gonna add more to this side. So what I like about this mask is it's super hydrating, but it's also really, really good for wrinkle care. The specific mask won an award, and I do believe that a few others with SD Max, they have some more Hydrogelly masks that have won a bunch of awards. It's definitely my favorite place to buy for Hydrogelly masks. Okay, so you want to Okay, we're almost done spreading it. And again, you want to cover every part of your face. And be careful around the edges because it does kind of drip, like right here. So we're just gonna kind of push that forward a little more. So this mask sits for about 15 minutes and it actually forms into a peel-off mask. So when you pull it off, you just pull it down the face so that we don't pull up on the eyelashes. And it just comes right off the nose and it's super easy. And this is the last of it. We're just going to apply right here. And again, I'm just making sure that the edges are all okay. And that everything has a thick layer of the mask. Okay, so as we sit and wait for this mask to be done, I am going to show you how to do a arm and hand massage. So I'm going to be using some massage gel cream to give a little arm and hand massage. Okay, I'm just going to take your arm. First, I'm just applying a light layer of the massage cream. Okay. And you always want to make sure you have enough on your hands, and you're going to want to rub them together on the front and the back. Okay. So when you're doing a hand massage, I really like to just glide my fingers over their finger, but I kind of put pressure right on the fingernail before I let go of the finger. Okay, and then you're gonna take your palm, or her palm, and you're gonna make a fist, and you're kind of just gonna lightly rub your knuckles over their palm. You don't want to do it too hard, because it's still supposed to be relaxing for them. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do the other arm. And again, you're gonna wanna pull with the finger, add some pressure at the end. This is my favorite part about the facials, the arm massage, because my forearms are so tense all the time, and this is just so relaxing. Okay. Alright. Okay, so it looks like the mask is just about ready to come off. You can tell it's about ready to come off because it feels like a layer of rubber. And the edges have, it's come up, so all you have to do, let me show you over here, so you pick it up and you start peeling it off. So I'm going to start from up here. Sometimes this gets caught on clothing or it gets clumped up in your hair, and that's okay. Leave it in your hair for a little while, and then as soon as you get in the shower, it'll wash right out. Okay. So we have her face. Let's get the other breast off. And you can see right here where I didn't put enough layer on there, it just gets really thin, and so it's really hard to pull off. And if that does happen, you want to try not to scratch it off with your nails, because that will damage your skin. Okay, and what I like to do at the end of that mask is just to go around the outer edge and make sure I got all of the little strays off of the skin. So we have Now sometimes it's so thin, like right here, that you don't want to pull it off because you might accidentally like pinch some skin with it. So just let it sit for maybe 20 minutes and then just do this and it'll come right off. Okay, see, this is my favorite mask because of how glowing she is right now and how much it smells like roses right now. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Our next one is going to be a facial massage as well as a hydrogelly hand mask. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you guys next time.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.